Hey guys, you caught me down at this Tesla. I'm gonna show you what's going on with it. This is the factory finish of the blue Tesla. So this is kind of complicated to explain. So we're installing that Dyno Prism I told you about before. Dyno Prism is a paint protection film. It has like a laminate kind of in it. It's like sparkly, right? Well, whatever the factory finish is shows through that color, but it changes the overall appearance. So if you had like a blue one, it's gonna look like this. If you have a white one, it's gonna look totally different. And that's what's fun about it is really, you could have someone that had this and it would look totally different unless your cars were the same color. Let me see if I can get a light on this thing. Look at this, man. It's like bass boat style. I love that. The guy said he wanted a Peacock. I think we're delivered. He's excited. He wanted to wait. He wants like a big reveal. So he's super chill. We're cracking away on it. We've got all this side done. Can you see, is it picking up that reflection in that? Doesn't it look wild? I love it. I love it. Super wild. And it's like a 10-year warranty, self-healing film. We jammed this puppy through. Like we're cracking it out. It's so fun. Everybody wants to work on it. Everybody's like, dude, no, I'm gonna do this one. Let me do that part, you know? So that's the fun part, you know? But it's going pretty quick, so it won't be here long. If you guys are around the area, stop in, check it out. It's gonna be gone before you know it. Dude's gonna be here picking it up, and he's gonna pay us a little bit, which is cool. We like that. And what else we got going on in the shop? Oh, we're doing this truck, Tacoma. That's what it is. We're gonna do this is a eraser wheel, because we took off a bunch of stuff. We disassembled the flares and we had mirrors. But what we're doing is we're actually wrapping it with a matte paint protection film. We did on that Shelby. I don't know if you guys saw that video, but it's in there if you want to check it out. This is gonna look matte black. This is a local guy. A lot of people know him, but he like goes out and does like trail stuff, and he's gonna like beat this thing up. We're gonna make his stroke self-healing so he can just go crazy with it. I guess this thing like folds out. We'll see if we can get him to do it, but it like folds out into like some big tent, and apparently like has a kitchen somewhere. So I guess he like cooks back here or something. It was one of my friends was like, dude, this is so-and-so. Like, it is so cool. You got his truck in here. He like cooked me breakfast right here or something. And I was like, what? He's like, on his truck? And he was like, yeah, this whole thing folds out into this big house, and he just climbs up there and sleeps, I guess. So he definitely uses this truck. He's got me on a tight deadline. He's like, hey man, listen, I'll pay you to wrap this whole thing, but I want it done by Friday. And I'm like, okay, here we go. Let's get it done for him. We're on the time clock right now. I ordered the material straight away, it's on the way. But yeah, so it should be cool. You should be able to see this pretty quick. We should be able to jam it out. If you don't see it by Friday, then you know I'm in trouble. We'll get it going. We got a couple things I've already shown you back there, so. Oh, dude, I wanna show you this one guy's ride. He's one of my favorite customers. I hope I can be as cool as him when I get a little older. When I grow up, I wanna be cool like him. Like you too, Ramon, my dude. It's like Saturday. Last car of the day. Stay to knock it out. The fire looking tint job. You did that, Ramon? Where'd you learn to tint at? Sho-Me Tint, baby. Love it? Ramon did that. He kills it. Have a good one, dude. Don't roll your windows down. All right, here it is. So it just came in like this. Just perfectly normal. No, we took the wheels off. Got me. He wouldn't came in with no wheels, obviously. But he's been like, I don't know if he's saving up or planning it or what, but he's had us do a few things. Like we did a chrome delete on here. We tinted some taillights. We did this roof black. He actually saw one of our videos where we tinted some headlights, and he was like, bro, do that on mine. I'm like, do it. And I think we did, what else, some stuff? Oh, we did some stuff up here. We did it in a matte black. He likes mixing it up. He likes mixing in the matte, the gloss. We're gonna do some more on it. We're gonna do a little, so this would be like before we do it, but we're gonna do this in black. We're gonna tie it into the back and tie this in. That's what he wants. He likes to keep it wild. He likes to keep it super wild. And we're making the wheels gloss black. We're powder coating them gloss black right now. It should be pretty hip. It's gonna be cool. Hopefully it goes smooth. It's always stressful when they're just standing here, you know. Should be pretty sturdy. Should be. Chop shop. Well, I think that's pretty much it for we're closing up this week. We had a rock star week, honestly. A lot of big projects came in, a lot of big projects went out. You know, we had a lot of fun. So I appreciate you checking it out. Yeah, I'm hyped. It's a nice day. I think I'm gonna lock the shop up, grab my car, and drive home. You know, it's exciting. All right, thanks guys.